So we are in TAJ Blue Diamond today here, and you can see the security out here. It's a good place, the first 5-star hotel, and you can just see here. So I'm just entering the lobby. You can see some beautiful fountain. It's a good garden, and now we are entering the gate. Hello guys, how are you? Hi sir, how are you? Mr. Balasaheb, Mr. Sunil, and let's go inside. How are you sir? And we are having this good cafeteria out here, and this is beautiful lobby. This lobby is beautiful. Good lobby. Let me just go. Raja. Then there is one more restaurant, Chinese. Whispering bamboo. And it has an amazing collection. Bablu, say hi.
Hi.
In the room. As soon as we enter, there is a bathroom, 2 showers, 2 shower heads. Then you have a cupboard here, then facilities out here. Big size bed. And then you can see this is a really big room, and then you have a beautiful view if you want to see of Koregaon Park. And now you can see this is the lunch bar. This is the Blue Diamond Taj in Pune. We are just roaming around in some lobbies out here. The Taj breakfast. So we are meeting. Hi, how are you? She is Ashwini. So let's go inside. See, let's talk about some food out here. You can see some food here. The food. Hi guys, how are you? So there are a lot of food out there, and you can see Mr. Bablu there, and some tea coffee out there. Let's talk about the food. And this is the giant food. So the head of the restaurant here, Mr. Charles here. There's some wonderful people out here.